Today's lesson, integers and their opposites. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. These are positives and negative numbers. Positive numbers are numbers greater than 0. Positive numbers can be written with or without a plus sign. Negative numbers are numbers less than 0. Negative numbers must always be written with a negative sign. Remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. To graph an integer on a number line, like the one above, just place a dot on the dash that is over the integer. Let's graph these numbers. We're going to place a dot on 2. Notice the dot goes on the number line, not above it or below it. -1, 0, and -4. The farther right a number is on a number line, the greater its value. This helps us place the numbers in order from least to greatest. If we start on the left side of the number line, we have a -4, so -4 is our smallest number. And we move to the right from there, writing the numbers in order. From least to greatest, we have -4, -1, 0, and 2. Two numbers are opposite if on a number line they are the same distance from 0, but on different sides of 0. This means the opposite of 2 is -2. Both numbers are 2 spaces from 0. The opposite of -1 is +1. Both numbers are 1 space from 0. The opposite of -4 is +4. Both numbers are 4 spaces from 0. You can use integers to represent quantities. This chart shows a few words that represent both positive and negative integers. First, we're going to identify the word that tells us whether this is a positive or negative integer. Then write the integer, and then describe its space from 0. Gianna earned 20 points in a board game. Earned tells us that this is going to be a positive integer, or +20. This means that it is 20 spaces to the right of 0. A drop of 52 feet. The word drop tells us this is going to be -52, which is 52 spaces left of 0. A building's expansion of 91 feet. Expansion tells us this will be a +91, or 91 spaces right of 0. Mo owes his parents $32 for his part of the phone bill. Owes tells us that this is -32. Or 32 spaces left of 0. Lena lost $19 out of her pocket. Lost tells us this is -19, or 19 spaces left of 0. And Ayana jumps 4 feet. Jump tells us that we're going +4, or 4 spaces right of 0.